Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, and I'm going to show you exactly how to buy your first crypto. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start trading like a pro. So let's get started. Before we jump into buying crypto, let's quickly talk about what it actually is. Cryptocurrency is digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, but there are thousands of others like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Cardano. But today, we're going to focus on how to buy crypto in general. To buy cryptocurrency, you first need to pick a cryptocurrency exchange. This is a platform where you can buy, sell, and store your crypto. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. For beginners, I recommend starting with Coinbase because it's super user-friendly and allows you to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others with ease. Once you've chosen your exchange, the next step is to create an account. You'll need to enter your email address, choose a strong password, and verify your identity by submitting some documents like a driver's license or passport. This is important to ensure your account is secure and follows regulations. Now that your account is set up, you'll need to deposit funds into it. You can do this by linking a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Some platforms also let you use PayPal, but I recommend linking a bank account for lower fees. Just choose the payment method you prefer and enter the amount of money you want to deposit. Now for the fun part, buying your crypto. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. Simply go to the search bar on Coinbase, type in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you want, and hit the buy button. You'll see how much Bitcoin you're getting for the amount you want to spend. Select how much you want to buy and hit confirm to complete your purchase. It's that easy. You'll see your new crypto in your account shortly. And that's it. You've now successfully bought cryptocurrency. You can either hold on to your crypto and watch its value grow, or you can trade it on the exchange for profit. Just remember, investing in crypto can be volatile, so always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments what crypto you're planning to buy first. Also, feel free to ask any questions below. I'll be happy to help. Until next time.